Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explore how to add styles to our React Native app. The first method is to apply inline CSS, which is already demonstrated here. The next approach involves creating a styles object using stylesheet.create. This object contains style definitions for various components or elements in a React Native application. For instance, the first definition is the container style, which will be applied to the entire component. To do this, I will simply copy the inline CSS and paste it here. Following that, we will proceed to apply some styles to the text. To apply styles to elements, we write the name of the definition such as container within the curly braces of styles and then save it. Similarly, for the text, we use style equals to braces and within the braces styles.text. Another method of adding CSS is by adding an external file. Let's create a file called style.js. In this file, we import the stylesheet component from React Native library. Here, we also create a styles object using stylesheet.create, which will be exported. Copy the styles object and paste it here after export. Now in the app.js file, import the styles object and save it. If we change the color of the text to green and save it, the change is reflected. Now let's explore two methods of inserting images. When the image is stored in a local directory and when it is obtained from an URI. First, we need to import the image component from React Native. For images stored locally, we can import the image into our component file and use the require function to specify the source. Within the view text, we write angle brackets image source equal within curly braces require, then within parentheses and inverted commas dot slash assets slash react native dot jpg, where dot assets is the folder path and React Native is the name of the image. This approach ensures that the image is bundled with the app during compilation. When the image is obtained from a URI, you can use the source prop of the image component and provide an object with the URI key containing the URL of the image. However, it's important to provide dimensions for the image or it will not be displayed. This allows the app to fetch and display images dynamically from remote sources such as a server or a cloud storage service. To display a background image, we need to import image background component. The syntax is image background source equal within curly braces require within parentheses and inverted commas dot slash assets and the folder name, then slash the image name. Then resize mode equal to cover. The resize mode equal cover ensures that the entire container is filled with the image with an extra parts of the image outside the container's dimensions being cropped. Then we wrap everything except the view text within the image background text. We will also need to make some changes to the style sheet. Create a new style called background, set the flex property to 1 and justify the content to center. Then apply this design to the image background text and save the changes. Okay, the image is being displayed in the background. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video and I will see you on the next one.